student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, teacher. Today I shall discuss about principal solution of trigonometric equation. Principal solution of trigonometric equation. The solution of a trigonometric equation lie in the interval 0 to 2 pi is called principal solution. The principal solution মুখ্য সমাধান হ'বলৈ হলে যিবিলাক x ৰ ভ্যালু trigonometric function x ৰ ভ্যালু বিলাক 0 আৰু 2 ৰ ভিতৰত থাকিব লাগিব। কৰি ইয়াৰ কাৰণে প্ৰবলেম কিছুমান আছে। এক্সাৰসাইজ নাম্বাৰ 3.4 find the principal solution. Find the principal solution of 10x is equal to root 3. 10x is equal to root 3. Solution. 10x is equal to root 3. প্ৰথমে চাব লাগিব 10x এর ভ্যালু পজিটিভ নে নেগেটিভ। কৰি ইয়াত 10x এর ভ্যালু পজিটিভ আছে। 10x এর ভ্যালু পজিটিভ। 10 in which quadrant 10x is positive? All sign 10 cos. Here all are positive. Here 10 is positive. Therefore 10x is positive in first and third quadrant. Next abo lagibo 10 kiman degree man root 3. Ami paiso that 10 60 degree, that is 10 pi by 3. This 10 pi by 3 is root 3. This is for the first quadrant. And for third quadrant, that is 10. In the third quadrant, this is pi plus this angle. Third quadrant, pi plus. This is pi plus this angle. Therefore, 10x is equal to 10 pi by 3 and 10 3 pi is 4 pi. Therefore, x is equal to pi by 3. X is equal to pi by 3 and 4 pi. Therefore, principal solution pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. Next problem, that is sec x is equal to 2. This in this case also we have to take sec x is equal to 2. sec ki man degree man sec ki manor man 2 hoy aru logote sabo lagibo sec to positive, sec positive. In his quadrant sec x is positive. All sign 10 cos. Here also sec. In the first and in the fourth quadrant sec x is positive. Therefore next kiman degree man sec this is 2. This is sec pi by 3 60 degree. Sec pi by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore sec pi by 3 in the for the first quadrant and for the fourth quadrant sec this is 2 pi minus something minus this angle. 2 pi minus this angle. Therefore sec x sec pi by 3 and sec 6 pi, that is 5 pi. Therefore x is equal to pi by 3 and 5 pi. Therefore principal solution one is pi by 3 and other is 5 pi by 3. Next problem is the exercise number, this is sec x is cot x is equal to, that is third problem, that is cot x is equal to minus root 3, that is cot x is equal to minus root 3. Here cot x is negative, therefore in which quadrant cot x is negative? All sine, then here cot also here, plus all plus sine plus 10 plus 10 plus. Therefore cot x is negative, cot x is positive in the first and third, therefore negative this and this quadrant, second and fourth quadrant cot x is negative. Therefore to write as cot x, cot in the second quadrant pi minus cot কিমান ডিগ্রি মান, cot কিমান মান root 3 হয়, cot কিমান মান হলে pi by 6 লিখিব। গতিকে সেকেন্ডৰ for second quadrant pi minus this angle, যেহেতু আমি জানো যে cot pi by 6 মানে cot 30 degree, cot 30 degree is equal to root 3. And fourth quadrant twice pi minus this angle, pi by 6. Therefore cot x is equal to cot, this 6 pi, this is 5 pi, and 12 pi, this is 11 pi. Therefore x is equal to 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. The principal solution, pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Fourth one for problem is question number 4. It is cosec x is equal to minus 2. Cosec x is negative here also, all sine 10 cos here, so cosec x is positive first and second, and negative cosec x is negative in the third and fourth quadrant. Therefore for third quadrant cosec x, for third quadrant this is pi plus, and for fourth quadrant this is twice pi minus cosec, twice pi minus. Then what is this angle? This angle is the cosec kiman degree man 2, cosec kiman degree man 2 है, तो इसे cosec 30 degree, cosec 30 माने pi by 6, they are also pi by 6. This is cosec x is equal to seven pi n 11 pi. Therefore x is equal to 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. This is all about the principal solution. Next class I shall discuss about general solution.